XX Cheese Boy. Today I'm gonna show you a solder, like soldering your Xbox. Show you how to solder with your feet. As you can see right here. I gotta get that up. As you can see these little lights right there, you barely can't see, but those. I did this one right here already. I'm sorry if you hear anything in the background. As you can see, I did those. You barely can see that. Yeah. That's the all red one and that's the normal one. That's one I'll probably do right now to show you. As you can see, I'm doing my Xbox one. As you can see, it's white. I like that. I did that all by myself. Me and my brother helped me. But I did all the soldering though. And yeah, I'm gonna show you me soldering one of those. And yeah, see you guys in a few minutes. What is up, everybody? It's XX Cheese Boy. Today I'm gonna show you how do I solder these LEDs right here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. You barely can see that one. Yeah, these are for the Xbox 360. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do it with my feet. And yeah, this is gonna be difficult. If you hear anything in the background, I'm sorry. And I will play some music after I show you what I'm all using. As you can see right here, I'm using tweezers, these things right here, soldering, that, and that. These are the colors I'm gonna be using: blue, purple, pink, as you can see right there, if you can see pink, and orange, as you can see right there. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. Can you please rate, comment, subscribe, and I hope you like this video. And yeah, let's get started. Now we back, and you can see I did all these by myself. As you can see, I did a pretty good job, but I need more practice. You can see in the middle. The middle one was a pain in the butt. All the other ones were easy. As you can see, it's horrible. I'm a beginner still. I'm still a beginner. And now we go test it out. And yeah. See you guys in a few minutes. Give me a minute first. Let me put the camera farther back. It can be in my way.
Can you dig it?
Come on, why you being stubborn? There we go. As you can see, sorry about the camera shaking. We don't press the button. But, as you can see, there's no colors I did. I don't know if I like it or not. I like this one. I like this one better. This stuff right here. And yeah, this is my colors. Hope you guys like it. See you guys later. See ya.